It could be said that Oskar Kogoj was born under a lucky star. His family was reasonably wealthy, and growing up he was loved as well as instilled with a sense of discipline and a desire to seek beauty and perfection. After the secondary school of design in Ljubljana, he went on to graduate in industrial design in Venice. With his open mind and curiosity, he derived most of the inspiration from his creativity from nature, initially in his native environment by the Vipava River.
Already at its birth, this primary mode is form, nature. It was nature which influenced my development. To this day, I love wading in the water and taking inspiration from the forms shaped by our Vipava River, as well as other rivers, and generally from nature as such.
When developing his ideas, he also likes to turn to ancient civilizations, various cultures, religions and philosophy, while remaining mindful not to break away from the world he inhabits. He studied cognizance and the mysteries of man for 17 years in India with the greatest spiritual teacher, Avatar Sai Baba, who handpicked Oskar Kogoj as his own personal designer.
Look, in terms of prana, a sphere is rotation. A civilization of great spheres is also created. The sphere then later passed into the egg, and the egg is that most perfect of shapes, which inspires all creators, designers and architects. Everything passes into this shape, and everything derives from it.
Like the cosmic egg, which is the symbol of eternity, creation, divinity, and the most perfect of forms on earth, Oskar Kogoj's works also often featured the horse motif. His full-scale statues of the Venetic horse stand in a variety of locations, such as Ljubljana, Slovenj Gradec, Sochi, Jerusalem, and across from the Palace of the United Nations in Geneva.
Our ancestors were the greatest horse breeders, and the horse is also a symbol of divine creation. So, first we can speak of the Venetic horse, and then the Lipizzaner horse.
According to Kogoj, coming up with innovative forms is the most demanding and time-consuming mental process, which sometimes takes several months or years of thinking before the aesthetics are achieved and the message is conveyed.
Recently I have been working on a new receptacle for coffee or tea. I always make the first model myself, choosing from a variety of materials, in this case wood. Then I pass it on to assorted master craftsmen, who develop the product and prepare the tools, after which the products are cast. They can be made industrially, by hand, or as a one-off unique product, depending on the content.
All of Oskar Kogoj's artworks are made using natural materials. His jewelry is made using crystals and gold, which give off the highest vibrations and good energy. He's designed almost every type of object, either useful or decorative. Furniture, lighting, toys, glassware, porcelain, jewelry, and even an airplane propeller, as well as violin. As an all-round artist, he has also designed posters for various events across Slovenia and abroad. The Memorial of Peace exhibition at the Observation Tower at Cerje near Nova Gorica featured his posters as well as a few of his most typical creations, which have gained world recognition as the products of a great master.